how to create an account on StarMaker. So if you want to create an account on StarMaker application, then make sure to install the application. And once you've installed or once you've downloaded, you can simply tap on StarMaker and open the application. And now if you want to receive the notifications, then you can tap on allow or tap on don't allow. And here you need to choose your language. So once you've chose your language, now tap on get started, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here on the upper right side, you will have sign up option. So simply tap on sign up. And now you need to tap on login only with your phone number or your email. So I'll be choosing phone number. Here you need to enter your phone number. And once you've entered, tap on next. And now you'll receive a code, 6-digit code to your mobile number. So you can simply enter that code here. And after entering the code, now you can simply tap on set password. And from here you can set a password. So tap on the blanks and then you need to enter your password. Your password needs to be at least 8 to 20 digits with at least letters and numbers. So make sure to enter a strong password. And once you've entered, tap on done. And now here you need to enter your nickname. So if this nickname is okay, then you can just skip that part and then you can go for birthday and enter your birthday. And then tap on done or save. And now you need to choose your gender and then your invitation code, but this is optional. Or you can add your photo, which is here on the upper middle. You will have a camera icon. Simply tap on that camera and then tap on allow, and then you can choose from photos. And after choosing, tap on done, which is on the upper right. And now tap on save, which is on the bottom of your screen. So it says that you need to enter a correct date of birth because this cannot be changed once confirmed. So StarMaker will give you the most suitable recommendations based on the personal information you have provided. So make sure to enter the correct information and then tap on confirm. And that's it. That's how you create your StarMaker account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.